Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 99. The expressions for x squared plus bx minus 45, where b is a constant, can be rewritten as hx plus k times x plus j, where h, k, and j are integer constants. Which of the following must be an integer? So we have to highlight some of the keywords here. They can write out at a factor form, which is two factors right here, with this one at the original expressions. H, K, J are integer constant. B is just constant. Okay, it's just constant. We don't know if it's integer or not. Okay, and what the question asks is the following will be integers. Making sure it's integer. Integer mean the whole numbers with the negative as well can be counted. For example, it will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. That is the integer. Okay, so let's rewrite one more time. So we have 4x squared plus bx minus 45. And we have the given, what they given is hx plus k times x plus j. This is the same thing. It's equal. Okay, so let's distribute it. Hx times x is hx squared. Hx times j is we add hjx. K times x is we add kx. K times j is kj. Alright, and then this is like term x. Okay, so we have hj plus k x and kj is x squared. This is also equal that. Okay, now let's write down again underneath it. So we have hx squared plus hj plus kx plus kj. Now we have something really nice to have a look, right? So h equal 4. This is b equal h times j plus k. And -45, that is kj. I'm talking about the sign, because this is all about like the positive numbers, right? Integer and constant. They use the 45. Okay, so we know, do we know b? No, we don't know if it's divisible by h or not, right? So this is still like the questions. B divided by k, we don't have anything to do about that. 45 divided by h, this is absolute no. Why? We already know that h equal 4. How we know that? We compare, right? So because h equal 4, 45 divided by 4, h equal 4, 45 divided by 4 is not divisible. This is 11.25. Right? So this is not the integer. Okay, it's the real numbers, but it's not an integer. So C is not the right answer, of course, right? Now about the question mark, we're not sure because we don't know what B is. We don't know if it's divisible by H or not, right? We don't know about K as well. But the only thing we know that K times J that equals 45. Ignore the side. Ignore it, okay? But so we will have that K will be 45 divided by J, and J is 45 divided by K. This one we divide both sides by J. This one is we divide both sides by K. From this one, right? So of course K times J is 45. Let's say for 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. So 9 is 45 divided by 5. And 5 is 45 divided by 9, right? So 9 and 5 is the integer. This is the example matching in this question. But not necessary is 9 and 5. It can be 3 and 15, right? So in this case, we know that when we have that, and J and K and J is integer constant. So it means the integer. We sure that K is integer, J is integer. So this one have to be the right answer, right? So D is the correct answer. Because B, we don't know if it's an integer or not. That is like the big unknown, right? But this one, obviously, we can say it because the given information said J is the integer. So we're sure that 45 divided by K should be integer. We ignore the negative right here because anyway, if K is negative or J negative, it's still integer. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.